Let me just set this up real quick. Beautiful. And my hair's a little messed up this morning, but it is what it is. All right. So we're expecting for price to continue the overall trend of bullishness in the higher time frame and possibly targeting the high of the week. So we shall see what happens. Got a little paper towel here. Let me move that. Boom. And this little T there. Yo, I need a hat. I woke up this morning with bad hair, and I try to fix myself quick, and
your hair is not gonna favor trading.
It's still a little messy, but it doesn't matter because again, it's not gonna affect my trading, or it shouldn't, right? It shouldn't.
Not the shouldn't. Lord have mercy.
Alright. We have a reclaim gap. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let me see. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. All right. Buy limit is at 23,072. 23,072 buy limit.
Yeah, we're set.
All right. And then stop loss is 23,064.
Where are you thinking to put TP?
And then take profit. Not too much. It's going to be 23,122.
Okay. Nothing much, just a casual 50 points.
All right, and as soon as price breaks that previous candle's high, we're gonna push our stops. Let me see. Push our stops to break even now. All right, we're gonna break risk-free trade. It's very rare for me to find an entry that's literally right at the open. Very rare.
Opening of a candle?
Yeah. Oh, and stopped out break even.
Stopped out.
That is fine.
At least prices move quick today.
Yeah. Let's see here. If we reclaim this gap after taking this high, then we're definitely gonna go for what I've been explaining earlier. London lows today. Beautiful, beautiful. But we need a closure underneath this inversion to reclaim it. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna wait. And sell limit 23,063. 23,063 sell limit. And if price leaves without us, that's fine. And then stop loss is 23,076.
So at 63, you want to sell limit?
23,063 sell limit.
Okay. So 76, you want to be take profit then?
23,076 is stop loss.
Alright.
And at the moment, I'm seeing the news fair value gap being where price reverses from.
Okay.
So there's a good chance that price may not even come up all the way to our entry. So we're gonna go ahead and go for a 20-point risk. 23,055 is our new sell limit.
You want to delete the old ones?
And to just drag it lower. 23,055. And then stop loss is at 23,075. Alright, so real quick, buy stop at 23,039. 23,039 buy stop, and we're gonna take it for 10 points. But leave the sell limit at 23,055. So we got that buy stop at 23,039, about to hit, and take profit 23,049. All right, it triggered. So stop loss for this is going to be 5 points, as I expect for price to continue and break through. So stop loss will be 23,034. All right, and that stop just got hit. Did it hit for you?
Yeah, I'm out.
All right, so that's 5 points. Attempting to bring price up higher into this area, which it might still go. My stop was just too tight in there. Just trying to play it safe. But anyways, high probability setups only from now on. There you go. I mean, it worked out well. Price came way lower. Now we just wait. No, I'm really expecting for price to really drop. So this is, I would say, all right, so from A, B, C, D, right? A setup, B setup, C setup, right? This is a B plus. A B plus setup.
Are we rating our setups now?
No, because some setups just barely have confluences, and this setup has a lot of confluences and a lot of indications that price will drop all the way through. So we have engineered sell side liquidity from London lows. London barely took the low of the day, and it created equal lows. Now, everybody else did it. Everybody else took it, minus NASDAQ. And now NASDAQ is the only one with the most liquidity at the moment, taking the high of pre-Asia. Who else did it? And at the moment, price just took the high of the day, right? Or pre-market open high. And nobody else did. We're all weakness. We're all showing weakness. And at the moment, Dow Jones, being the most influential market of all three, took the high of 930, and like did it, neither did S&P. So there's strong weakness within NASDAQ. So if price comes up, it tags us in. We're going to pyramid on it. As price comes lower, we're going to enter another trade within the same setup. Therefore, having a bigger day. If price comes back up, because at the moment, all I see is price showing strong continuation. All right. On this leg up, it should be a lot stronger. So we're gonna gain back at the 5 points we just lost. Okay, because there's more information to work with, and this here is way stronger. If it does reach back up into this area, you know, price may not even give us a proper setup, to be honest. So we're gonna have our buy stops at 23,040, take profit 23,045 to gain back those little 5 points.
Do me a favor, repeat what order you just put in.
Buy stop 23,040.
That's what I thought.
And then take profit 23,045. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll be at break even 100% for sure on this setup right here, because price will 100% go to it if price surpasses and triggers our entry. It will 100% go 5 points. It's 5 points. It's not a crazy prediction or a crazy anticipation.
No. I deleted the solo setup we had above.
Why?
Oh, well, my bad.
I'm expecting for price to come up there.
Okay.
You know, we're taking our profits a little bit early here, just to win back our losses, and because I'm not sure how much higher price can go, price may never come to our entry at 23,055. It may give us a sell setup a lot earlier. It may give us the indication that's going to deliver to sell side, right, a lot earlier. But just in case the price does come up back into this new fair value gap, we're going to be entering.
Okay.
Alright, the new 15-minute candlestick just opened. And it's not looking like it wants to retrace back up whatsoever. Come on. Yeah. Alright, drag that buy stop down to 23,035. And then take profit on this one will be 23,040. Do we get a proper immediate rebalance? market to 15-minute swing lower before London. Yeah, you know what? Delete this sell limit here. So that sell limit at 23,055, delete it. Because, yeah. Alright, and then for to take profit on that buy stop, just drag it up to 23,115. So buy stop at 23,035 and then take profit at 23,115. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag our stop loss. So as soon as price reaches a certain point, we're going to drop the stop loss to 5 points, so that at least we could guarantee a break even for today. Yeah, because although I am expecting manipulation to the downside, as I explained, the higher time frames are bullish. We're trending upwards. So any movement to the downside could just be used or be viewed as manipulation. And at the moment, nobody is taking that macro low. Everybody's showing strength. On top of the fact that, wow, Nasdaq is about to take a major low here while everybody else is pushing up. And Nasdaq should as well. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got two markets taking that. But at the moment, Nasdaq is just showing a lot of weakness. So we'll see how 950 goes. And we will be pushing that buy stop lower to 23,028. Let's see how price reacts. London lows is what we're expecting. Yeah, price is just straight up manipulating. We missed our entry up here, but that's fine. Alright, that buy stop is now deleted. We have no trades at the moment. The only thing we can do is add a sell stop right at, let me see, for 5 points. Alright, sell stop at 22,983. And then take profit on that one. Okay, sell limit at 23,009. Sorry, 23,009 sell limit. And then stop loss at 23,021. And we're gonna go for I'll take profit.
Loss at 21?
Yeah. Sell limit 009, stop loss 21, and then take profit 969. Trade just triggered. Trigger for you?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay. So now that we have that, we're gonna add a sell stop at a sell stop at 2288. I mean 988, sorry.
Alright.
So 988 sell stop, and then take profit, take it out with everybody else. Alright, drag that sell stop to 89. Yeah, we're gonna do 89 for that sell stop. And then take profit 969 for everybody. Alright, this is going to be our pyramid trade. And stops at break even. I do not want to see price come back up, so stops at break even currently. And let's see how price continues here. Beautiful. All right, TP hit. And that is it for today.
Good shit, good shit.
All right, so that is 40 plus 20, that's 60, minus the 5 that we lost earlier. That's 55 points on the day today. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Perfect.
All right, well, that's all I have for today. I told you today was going to be a good day.
Hey, look, you wasn't lying. You wasn't lying.
But anyways, thank you, for supporting. Thank you for being here. And better days are to come. Better days are to come. Now, I am expecting for price to come up way higher, but we're not going to sit here and wait on that and, put risk our accounts in the markets again,
Yeah.
You know what?
Hey,
Later on,
I'm still pretty.
yeah, later on, we'll have all the opportunity and all the time to gain more setups within one session. But for right now, we're content with this. We should be disciplined enough to just take our wins and move on with our day, go to the gym, continue growing in other areas, for yourself, continue making your reels and make more content for yourself, have that social media presence.
We're sitting up 540 today, so we did good. Like, we're not in a bad place at all. Plus, we gotta remember not to get greedy. That's when we start seeing shit in the market that ain't there.
Yes, indeed. Well, have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
All right, bye.
Bye, everybody.